Hello from Seoul. There are so many kinds of Korean fried chicken out there. While I haven't counted them all, there are likely hundreds of variations. But trends always circle back to the classics. Yes, we're gonna make the ultimate classic Korean fried chicken. Today, we're gonna be making Dakgangjeong, street-style Korean fried chicken. This is the kind of fried chicken you can easily find at street stalls, traditional markets, or even grocery stores. Since it's so delicious and affordable, it's like the most popular Korean fried chicken that everybody loves. Trust me, once you try this, you will instantly understand why it's everywhere in Korea and why everybody loves it so much. For this, you will need some chicken, flour, and potato starch. That's it. So simple, right? Of course, we'll be needing some seasoning ingredients too, but if you've been watching our channel, you probably already have them in your pantry. So as always, don't worry and just follow my lead. First, take 600 grams of boneless chicken thighs and cut them into nice bite-sized pieces. Depending on your preference, you can leave the skin on or remove it. And if chicken breast is more like your style, go ahead and use that. No problem at all. For information, one of the characteristics of this fried chicken is that it's made with boneless chicken. So unlike other Korean fried chicken, which you have to grab with your fingers, you can eat it gracefully without getting messy. So if you're looking for a dish that's perfect for the potluck, this is the way to go. Trust me, you'll be the superstar. Now, let's move on to the brine, which is the most important step for making Korean fried chicken. This will give you the juiciest and the most tender fried chicken that you've dreamed of, so don't even think about skipping it. In a large bowl, combine half a tablespoon of kosher salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, half a tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 3 cups of water, and give it a good mix. By the way, we have all the instructions and a list of ingredients on our blog, aaronandclaire.com, so please visit here if you need a written recipe. Once that's done, add all the chicken pieces and keep it in the fridge for at least 1 hour or overnight. Alright, while they're having a great vacation in the fridge, let's make that iconic Korean red sauce. In a small container, add 2 tablespoons of gochujang, Korean chili paste, half a tablespoon of Korean chili pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 6 tablespoons of corn syrup, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 3 tablespoons of water, and mix it well. Here, if you can't handle spicy food, then you can skip the chili pepper flakes. No problem at all. Now, let's chop some green onions and peanuts. These are totally optional, but to make it more beautiful, let's put a little bit more effort. Trust me, they're gonna make it more fancy. This time, let's make the batter. These days, it's super easy to make ultimate crispy fried chicken at home with this store-bought Korean fried chicken powder mix. But you don't wanna make a special grocery run just for this, right? I knew it. So today, let's whip up a simple batter using all-purpose flour and potato starch. What? You can't get potato starch? Then just use cornstarch. Don't worry about it. As always, everything will be fantastic. Alright, in a large bowl, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of potato starch, a generous pinch of salt, and whisk all together. Once that's done, transfer half of the dry mixture into another bowl, and then to that, add 1 cup of cold water and mix it well. Yes, that's right, we'll be using 2 batters, wet batter and dry batter, because this way we can create an uneven surface with craggy bits, and they're gonna add super extra crispiness to the chicken. Alright, our batters are ready. Let's bring out our chicken. Put your chicken into the wet batter, and then coat it with the dry batter. If you add your chicken all at once like me, it's gonna be more difficult to work with, so I recommend using a wide tray and coating them little by little. Fill up a pot with some oil and heat it to 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it reaches the temperature, gently drop your chicken pieces one by one. and fry them for about 4 minutes. The batter can be a bit sticky, so please be careful when you add it in. When time's up, you can take them out, drain them on a wire rag, and then repeat with the remaining chicken pieces. Once your second batch is done, remove them from the oil and set them aside. Now to make our chicken extra crispy, let's do the double fry. Increase the oil temperature to 180 degrees Celsius or 355 degrees Fahrenheit. And again, working in 2 batches, fry the chicken pieces for another 3 more minutes or until the chicken is cooked through. When the chicken turns crispy and golden brown, you can take them out and let them sit on a wire rag. Super easy, right? While the chicken is resting, let's finish our sauce. In a wok or pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil and heat it over medium heat. Once it gets nice and hot, pour in the sauce and give it a good stir for about 2 minutes. When the sauce comes to a boil and is bubbling like this, add all your chicken and toast together for about 2 minutes. Once the chicken is thoroughly coated and glossy, transfer it to a serving plate and then sprinkle with some green onions and peanuts that we prepared earlier. How does it look? It looks super delicious, right? Alright, let's go to our taste tester. But before we meet our taste tester, let's take a moment to thank our sponsor, Yoppoki. Yoppoki is one of the best tteokbokki makers in Korea. They provide a variety of tasty and exclusive tteokbokki products. If you visit their official Amazon store, you will find not only the classic tteokbokki, but also various flavors like cheese, onion, black bean sauce tteokbokki, and many more. The best part of Yoppoki is that it takes just 10 minutes to prepare. You don't believe it? Then let me show you quickly. Add the rice cakes, seasoning powder, and water to a pan and bring it to a boil. And then simmer it for about 4 to 5 minutes over medium-low heat. That's it! Couldn't be any easier, right? With just a 10-minute investment, you can experience the best Korean soul food from the comfort of your home. So you don't have to spend hours driving to Koreatown anymore. Trust me. They're all amazing. Look at her. Claire's face says it all. Every product is absolutely delicious. If you wanna try the best instant tteokbokki for yourself and experience Korean soul food, click the link in the description and visit their official Amazon store. You will get special discounts on your purchase. Thanks Yoppoki for sponsoring this video.
Claire. 이야, 너무 맛있어 보인다. 빛깔이며 텍스처며 향까지 뭔가 제대로 나온 것 같은데? 왜 우리 속초에 엄청 유명한 닭강정집 있잖아. 그 닭강정집 비주얼이랑 똑같아. 맛있을 수밖에 없겠다. Oh my god. It looks so shiny and beautiful. Cheers! 소스 너무 맛있네. 고추장 향이 되게 강하게 샥 감칠맛나게 샥 나면서 마늘의 향도 풍겨주는데 너무너무 좋은데 알맞은 그 맵기와 그 풍미 깊은 맛이랑 그리고 단 정도가 완벽해. 오, 너무 맛있다. 팔아도 되겠다. 팔면 우리가 더 유명해질 수도 있어. 소스가 너무 맛있어가지고 소스 얘기만 잔뜩 했는데 이 배러 있지? 튀김옷도 너무 잘 됐네. 바삭바삭한 느낌이 있으면서도 동시에 되게 가벼우면서도 바삭하면서도 소스를 잘 흡수한 그런 튀김옷이다. 딱 괜찮다. 닭강정에 딱 적합한 그런 튀김옷인 것 같아. 너무 괜찮네. One more bite. 중간에 땅콩 씹히는 것도 고소하니 너무너무 좋아. 마지막 약간의 킥이야. 고급스럽게 만들어준다. 맛있어. As a pro tip, if you're a big fan of shrimp, you can make this with shrimp. That's called 새우강정, and that's the arch rival of this chicken version. So please give that a try too. Or you can ask Aaron to make the video. Hope you guys try. Bye!
Today, I showed you how to make Dakgangjeong, one of the most popular Korean fried chickens of all time. How was it? It's so simple and easy to make, right? Like I said earlier, this dish is perfect for a potluck because even after it cools down, it still tastes amazing, unlike other Korean fried chicken. So with the holiday season coming up, why don't you give this a try? Wherever you take it, this bad boy will definitely be the superstar. I guarantee it. Alright, this is it for today, and I'll see you next time.